In this video, I am going to be sharing tips on how to run a successful membership website. So the tips I'm going to share with you today are going to save you a lot of time and also bring you a lot of money, because we are going to create an automation that works behind the scenes as you work on your business. All right, guys, before we get started, we're going to be using Wishlist Member and Fluent CRM. Both of these products come with bonuses if you buy them using my affiliate link. Information to that is in the video description below. Let's dive in and let me show you. So I've already gone ahead and installed Fluent CRM and Wishlist Member. Now, just to show you how easy it is to set up a membership level on Wishlist Member, let's go ahead and create one. So I'm going to come over here to Wishlist Member, click on Setup. And now you can click on this plus button to create your membership level. So far I have free membership and membership B. Now let's just create membership C. I'm going to click here on this plus button, and this is going to be membership C. Hit apply. Now there are other steps that we can go in and set up. Now we're not going to go into detail with that in this video. I've already created another video that shows you how to create a membership website. I'll link it in the video description below. All right, so now that we've created our membership level, let's go ahead now and create the product in WooCommerce, because I prefer using WooCommerce as our payment gateway. So to create a product here that will take the payments for the membership level, we're going to come over here to products. So I've already gone ahead and installed WooCommerce. So here I have membership A. Now let's add membership C. So I'm going to click here on add new. Okay, so here's membership C, publish. So this now is going to make it easy for us to trigger our automation. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to come over here now to Fluent CRM. Next, I'm going to come over here to automations. So for this automation, we are going to click here on this blue button. And we are going to say membership upgrade. Next, we're going to come over here to WooCommerce, and we want this to trigger based on a new order. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, click on continue. Great. So now we can target our products. So remember, we have a free membership. So this is the one I need to target. So I'm going to go ahead and select free membership, because what we're going to do here is when someone signs up for the free membership, we're going to wait a few days and then offer them to sign up onto the paid membership. Okay, so next I am going to just come all the way down here, click on save settings. So this is our membership upgrade offer. Okay, so remember, when someone purchases this free membership, that is when they get upgraded. Okay, so next I'm going to click here on this plus button. So I'm going to say wait, perhaps say 2 days, click save settings. And now I can go in and create my email. So I'm going to click here on send custom email. So let's call this upgrade offer 1. So this is where we're going to add our email text. So we're going to say hello first name. And this part here is going to be replaced with the person's email address based on how they signed up for the membership. Okay, so there's our text. So in here, we're going to have our button, which then gives them a link to the sales page. So let's add our button here. Okay, so in this button here, we can go in now and add our link. And this is a link to the sales page. I'm just going to add a dummy link for now, open in a new tab. Boom. Okay, so that's our button. We can also further customize this button by coming over here. So let's say I want to have 3 as my border radius here. And perhaps we may want to change our colors. I'm going to come over here. So our text color here can be white as it is. And then for our background color, we can choose a different color right here. There we go. So those are the minor customizations that we can do for now. And then I can hit save settings. Right. So this is just a basic setup. Okay. So what we can do next is to perhaps wait another day and then add another offer email. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's click on this plus button. Let's wait one more day, save settings. And we can also add another email over here. Now, before this, because right now I'm using this beta, but this is going to be released very soon. We are going to be able to see all the stats on this email here when we come over here. So this is very, very powerful as well. So you can actually see how this email is performing. So if you see that a lot of people are not opening, it may mean that you may want to change the headline or even change the contents of the email itself. So the stats are going to help us see that, because we are also going to be able to see all the click-throughs. In fact, let me show you where that information is. So if I come over here on the stats, in fact, let's just publish this like that. Now, if we go back to our automations, so this is the membership upgrade offer. If I click here on reports, we notice now that we have 3 tabs. So this one here is the step report. It just shows you what is happening throughout each step. And then over here, it will show us our email analytics. And this is where now we can see the amount of emails that we've sent, how many have opened, how many have clicked, how many have unsubscribed. And over here, we can also see the individuals that would have taken action on this email. So as you can see, we have powerful stats. So next, let me show you another scenario of how we can automate our membership website behind the scenes. So I'm going to come over here to automations one more time. Let's create a new one. This time, this one is going to be based on wishlist member. So lately, I've been getting a lot of emails from people that purchase my Divi design guide. So basically, what is happening is when they download it, they don't automatically have access to the actual course, or they don't even know where to go to access this course. So this can be resolved by doing the next step that I'm going to show you here. So let's dive in and let me show you. So this one here is going to be based on wishlist member. So if we click here, we can see that when a member is added to a membership level, this is how the automation starts. So here we want to say welcome. So for this, we want to say welcome to membership A. So my trigger here is when someone is added to a membership level. I'm going to hit continue. Now I can choose my membership level. So in fact, this one needs to be membership B. So let's change this to welcome to membership B. Okay. So this is how our automation is going to be triggered. So I'm going to click on save settings. Now, when someone gets added to this membership level, what I need to do is to straight away send them an email telling them where everything is. So for example, here we can say get started. Of course, you can be more creative than this. So over here, I can add my contents of my email. That's my description text. And somewhere here, we can add a link to the dashboard or where they need to download stuff or where they can just get more information. Okay, so to add a link, you can just click here on this chain icon. I'm going to add a fake one here, opening the new tab, and then activate it, save settings. In fact, you know what? And you know what? It's also a great idea that you add your labels here because it's very easy to find in your automation. So now that I've said download your product, I've given them a link to download that product. So pretty much this really resolves the issue of people asking you and sending you all these emails asking you for information. So once you have it all here, it's automated. As soon as someone gets added to a membership level, they start getting all these automatic emails. Very, very, very powerful. Now you can take this to the next level now by applying even more things. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's say you want to upgrade them to another membership level. You can click here on this plus button, go over here to conditions, and then you can say, okay, you know what? I want to check if they bought a product. So if you click here, you can target the product. So this is membership A. So what we want to do is to check if this user has purchased membership A. Okay, so we're going to hit save settings. So check if the contact purchased a specific product. In this case, it's product A. If they have, then what you can do here is we can click here on this plus and we can say end this funnel here. Save settings. But if they haven't, what we can do is we can click here and start adding all our information. So we can add an email sequence. We can also add a custom email. So the custom email could be giving them a discount to say product A that we are trying to upsell them to. So all this can be happening behind the scenes. Okay, so let me show you how to add that. So this could be one-time offer. So we can say here 20% offer ends tonight, and then we can go ahead and add our body text. And somewhere here, we can have a link to the sales page. There we go. Save settings. So what we can also do here is we can add another action. Wait, say 2 days. So come over here, wait 2 days. Save settings. and offer them something else. So as you can see, this is very, very powerful. It starts off by welcoming someone to a membership level, and then we give them a link to download a specific product, and then we want to check if they purchased a specific membership level. If they haven't, we want to offer them another product. So as you can see, this is a membership website on steroids. All this will be running behind the scenes without you going in and making changes to it or making any tweaks. Imagine if you had to go in and send these emails individually. In fact, to be honest, I don't even want to give you that scenario because it is impossible. You couldn't do this, because if you had, say, 1,000 or even 100, or let's say even 10 members on your membership website, it's going to be very crazy to automate this whole process. So take a look at these two products, Wishlist Member and Fluent CRM. So like I said in the beginning, if you buy them using my affiliate link, you also get my bonus courses that get you up and running with working with these two products. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any tips or suggestions, please let me know in the video description below, and I'll do my best to cover them. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.